As a business owner, the right credit card can help you manage your cash flow as well as your expenses while also offering you benefits that can help save your business time and money. If you are in the market for a business credit card, in this video, we will go over the perks and benefits of the American Express Business Platinum Card. If you do want to learn more, definitely keep watching. Now, before we jump into today's video, if you are new to me and the channel, welcome. My name is Bella Jones. I am a corporate finance professional with over 18 years of experience. And on this channel, we focus on everything related to financial literacy. So if you want to learn more about investing, get better at managing your finances, or you want honest reviews on things like credit cards and other financial products, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on my other social media platforms. While the Personal Platinum Card is known for being one of the best premium travel credit cards on the market, for some reason, the Business Platinum Card doesn't get as much attention or accolades, even though it has many of the same benefits. So let's see what makes this card so great and if you should consider adding it to your wallet. So let's first go over the basics. The annual fee is currently $695. Now you are able to add an authorized user to your account. They will charge you $350 per authorized user to do so. When it comes to the welcome bonus, it is currently 150,000 membership reward points if you spend $20,000 on your card in the first 3 months of your account being approved. Now, they do also have a secondary bonus where you can qualify for a $500 statement credit if you use this card to book at least $2,500 worth of airline tickets, either directly with an airline or through the American Express travel portal. When it comes to earning points, you do earn 5 points for every dollar spent when you book flights directly with the airlines or if you book a prepaid hotel stay through the American Express travel portal. You will also earn 1.5 points on certain business expenses such as shipping, electronics, and software. And then you do earn 1 point on all other categories. When it comes to using your points, you do have a few options there as well. You can use these points and transfer them to one of the transfer partners of American Express, which includes both airlines and hotels, such as Marriott, Hilton, Delta, JetBlue, and British Airways. I will put a full list to their transfer partners in the caption down below. The other way you can use your points is to purchase gift cards, to pay down your credit card balance, or to shop with Amazon. And during the checkout process, your points will be listed for you to use to apply towards a purchase. And lastly, you can use your points to book travel on the American Express travel portal. This includes booking airline tickets, hotel stays, and car rentals. Now that we've covered the basics, let's switch gears and go over the perks and benefits of the Business Platinum Card. So first, this card will give you access to 1,400 airport lounges across the globe. Now for you as the card holder, it will be free of charge. When it comes to bringing in guests, it will depend on the lounge, whether your guests can come in for free or if you do have to pay a fee. So for example, if you are looking to bring guests with you to a Centurion Lounge, it is going to be $50 per person who is over the age, who is 18 years or older. For any guests between the ages of 2 and 17, it will be $30 per person, and children under the age of 2 can get in for free. Now, you are limited to 2 guests per cardholder, so keep that in mind. As a Business Platinum card holder, you will be able to gain access to Delta Sky Club lounges for free. Now, you must be booked and traveling on a Delta operated flight in order to gain access to the lounge. Now, you are limited to 10 lounge visits per year. You will be able to bring guests in with you, but you are limited to 2 guests per cardholder, and there is a fee of $50 per person. With this card, you can also access Lufthansa lounges as well. Now, depending upon the lounge, you will be able to get in for free and bring guests in with you free of charge also. The other lounges you can access free of charge are Escape Lounges and Plaza Premium Lounges. And with these lounges, you can bring in 2 guests in with you free of charge as well. And last but not least, you also do receive a free Priority Pass membership. And with this membership, you can also bring in 2 guests in with you free of charge as well. Some of the other great perks of this credit card are you do receive elite status with both Hilton and Marriott. With Marriott, you do receive Gold Elite, and with Hilton Honors, you do receive Gold. Now, with both of these elite statuses, you will receive things like late checkout, free upgrades, and you will earn more points on your paid hotel stays. You also do receive elite status with National Rental Car, Hertz, and Avis Car Rental Agencies. What is also great about this credit card is it will give you certain travel insurances, which will come in handy in the event you run into an issue when you are traveling. So for example, this card offers trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance, as well as trip delay insurance. So if you use this card to book your vacation or a business trip, and you have an issue where your trip is canceled, delayed, or interrupted, and you incur certain expenses, American Express will reimburse you for those expenses. Now, this card also gives you car rental insurance. Now, in order to use or receive this benefit, you will need to use this card to book the car rental, decline the insurance offered by the car rental agency, and at that point, your vehicle will be covered in the event it is damaged or if it is stolen. Now, keep in mind, this car rental insurance coverage is going to be secondary to your personal or business car insurance plan. Now, American Express does give you the option to upgrade the car insurance coverage for a flat fee of $19.95 or $24.95 per car rental, and at that point the plan will be the primary coverage, so that way you don't have to worry about using your own personal or business insurance plan. Baggage insurance is another benefit that comes with the American Express Business Platinum Card. So with this insurance plan, if your checked bag or carry-on bags are lost or damaged, you will be reimbursed for those items. You also receive a global entry or TSA pre-check credit. Now, in order to use this benefit, you will need to use your Business Platinum Card to pay for the application fee, and at that point, you will receive a credit, essentially making your application free. This card also gives you a $200 airline credit that can be used towards in-flight food purchases or checked bag fees. You also receive a Clear credit of $199 that will be applied towards a Clear membership. And last but not least, you also receive a $200 Hilton credit that you can use every single year, but there is a catch to it. So 1, you must have a Hilton Honors business membership. And 2, the credits are given in $50 increments every single quarter. You don't receive the entire $200 credit up front. Now let's shift gears and talk about the shopping benefits that come with the American Express Business Platinum Card. So first, you do receive purchase protection and extended warranty. With purchase protection, if you use this card to purchase an item and that item is lost, stolen, or damaged in the first 90 days of purchase, American Express will reimburse you for that item with some exceptions and exclusions. Next, with extended warranty, if the item you purchase has an original manufacturer's warranty, American Express will extend that warranty for 1 additional year. This card also gives you cell phone protection. Now, in order to receive or use this benefit, you must use this credit card to pay your monthly cell phone bill. And at that point, your cell phone is covered up to $800 in the event it is lost or damaged. This card also offers credits when you do use certain business services. Now, I will put a full list here, but it includes companies like Dell, Adobe, and Indeed. Now, you will need to use your Platinum Card when you do business with these companies to qualify for the statement credits. This card also gives you a credit of $120 towards wireless services. So you will need to use this card to pay your monthly cell phone bill, and you will then qualify for a $10 credit every single month. Let's now talk about some of the pros and cons of the American Express Business Platinum Card. So first, this card will give you the ability to manage cash flow, especially if you need to incur expenses today, but you're waiting to receive payment for your products or the services you provide to your customers. This card has the option to pay over time, which gives you a lot of flexibility, whereas in the past, you had to pay this card in full, no questions asked. So now having this pay over time option, again, gives you flexibility. And they also have a stipulation where they do give you anywhere from 25 to 53 days to pay your expenses in full and not worry about incurring interest. The other great thing about this credit card is you will have the ability to issue cards to your employees or contractors, but you will have complete control over how much they are able to spend on their respective credit cards, and you will have great reporting to monitor their spend as well. And of course, the other great thing about this card is going to be the travel perks and benefits. And there are quite a few, between the airport lounge access, the elite status, and then access to the airport lounges. This card will make traveling a lot easier, especially when business travel can be so stressful. When it comes to the cons or downsides, there are two that come to mind. So first, it is the annual fee, and second, the high spend requirement to earn the welcome bonus. So when it comes to the annual fee, you need to be super sure that you can maximize all of the benefits of this credit card to make it make sense to pay such a high annual fee. And then when it comes to the spend requirements needed to earn the welcome bonus, $20,000 is a lot of money, and some businesses might not be able to handle such a hefty price tag. So if that is the case for your business, this card would not be a good fit. You may want to opt for one of their lower spend requirement credit cards like the Blue Cash Business Card or the Green Rewards credit card. If you have gotten to the point of this video and still believe this card is a great fit for you, and you know you can afford the annual fee and maximize the benefits and meet the spend requirement for the welcome bonus, there are still some things you need to consider before you submit your application. So one, you do not need to have a full-fledged business to qualify for this credit card. If you are a contractor, a consultant, or have a side hustle or side business, you can qualify to apply for this credit card. You will just need to prove your revenue or income as part of your application process. Next, American Express does limit how many credit cards you can be approved for. So currently the limit is 2 credit cards in a 90-day period. So if you are planning to apply for more than one credit card, make sure to space out your applications accordingly. Next, when it comes to welcome bonuses with American Express credit cards and charge cards, they are once in a lifetime. So what does that mean? You are only able to earn a welcome bonus on a credit card once in a lifetime. So with that being said, you want to make sure you are receiving the best welcome bonus offer you could possibly find. And here are a few ways you can do that. One, I do recommend going into incognito mode on Google Chrome. When you do that, you tend to find better welcome bonus offers. 2, if you currently have an American Express credit card or charge card, you can log into your account and see if they are offering you a better offer than what is currently offered to the open public. Next, I would recommend checking your emails or actual physical mail to see if they have sent you anything with a better offer as well. Overall, the American Express Business Platinum Card is a great card if you are able to maximize the benefits of this card and are willing to pay the high annual fee. It is a fantastic card whether you are a solopreneur, a side hustler, or if you have a team of staff and employees. So let me know in the comment section down below, do you currently have this credit card and what has your experience been? And if you are thinking about applying and have any other questions, also let me know that in the comment section down below. Now don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.